Welcome everyone. Today we will study for loops in MATLAB. So the syntax of for loop is that we use the keyword for, and then we put the initial value, then followed by colon, followed by step size, followed by colon, and then final value. Remember, if there is no step size given, by default the step size is 1. So after this we have the body of the for loop. Fine. And then we end the for loop by command end is the other keyword which ends the for loop. So we can take an example of this. For example, if I want to display from 1 to 10, so for I is equal to 1 to 10, by default the step size is 10. Then on in the body of the loop I can simply say display EISP I, fine, and then I will end it. Now when I run it, hopefully I will be able to display 1 to 10. Here we go, we have displayed 1 to 10. Fine. Now what if I want to have an addition of all numbers? Fine. I want to prompt the user to enter some number and I want to find the sum up to that number. Fine. So I want to write a program that gives the sum up to that number which the user has given. So what I will do, I will name the sum as total. So I will equate total to 0. Then I will input to get the user for entering something. We use the input command. Let us name it as x. So input, enter the number up to which you want to find the sum, to which you want to find the sum. Find the sum. Fine. So then we will do the typecasting, because by default it will take a string. So we will typecast x to double. Fine. So we have changed the format of x, which was string, to double. Fine. So now we will do the for loop. So I will run for loop from 1 to up to y, up to that number, and I will, in the body of the loop, I will start adding that total is equal to total plus I. Fine. And then I will end it, and finally I am going to print out the number. I will use the command fprintf. So I will say the sum of numbers is, I will use the percentage sign to indicate that I want to display the number as double, and to go to next line I will simply say, fine, I will simply type this, and then what I do, I want to display total. So that's it. Now we will run the system, we will run the program, and here we go. In the command window we have entered the number up to which you want to find the sum. For example, I want to find the sum up to 10, so I will write 10. This we go, the sum of the number is 55. So this program sums the number up to that number. Fine. Total is equal to 0. We prompt the user to input that number which he want to, up to which he want to find the sum, and after entering that number we typecast it. We change that type to double. After double we use the for loop. From 1 to that number we start adding these numbers to this. Fine. And finally we print it. Thank you.